The Shroud 3 is a friendly guy, and he likes to be left alone. But now we've gone and scared him off. We need your help to bring him home. How to Catch a Groundhog by Alice Walstead and Gillette. We love this big park in our town. There are places to ride and to run. It's the perfect place for flag football, not to mention some cool, silly fun. Wow, that throw is a deep pass and heading straight for the trees. Someone better start running right now, but avoid the kid eating stick cheese. What was that? It didn't sound great. Was it wood that snapped with a crack? Brown fur just bolted out of that hole. Must have thought it was under attack. We had one blurry glance at him and saw both his tail and his teeth. We just scared the town's groundhog from his private home just beneath. Tomorrow is his big holiday. Will a shadow fall outside the den? We need him to answer this riddle. We know winter ends, but not when. Well, we know this critter is jumpy, dislikes surprises. There is no doubt. To catch him, we must be gentle. This guy sees his shadow and freaks out. Did you know how fast he could climb trees? But also burrow deep with great care. Now that we have searched all around, let's face it, he could be anywhere. Well, that plan didn't work. He got away. Maybe we all need to spread out. Wish we knew more about nature. Does anyone know what this sign is about? The sun is out and should warm us up, but I'm chilled to my bones deep inside. Need to find him to end this cold quick. I feel the wind across my backside. Wait just a minute. Did we catch him? There's something inside of that trap. That's amazing. We got him in time. Thank goodness. I could use a nap. Well, that's not him. The ears are wrong. Pretty sure he was just passing through. It is time to bring out our best traps that our groundhog can't claw or chew. A peaceful spot with soothing sounds. Fresh fruit and yoga included. Sure hope he comes back by morning. Right now wishing we hadn't intruded. It's getting dark. What do we do? He might be back. Let's have a peek. Using light and no sound, just in case. If he's there, we don't want him to freak. The groundhog's big day is tomorrow. And after running up and down, he's home to tell when winter ends and spring will come back to our town. Let's hear it for our town groundhog. See you next year.